Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Shopify application on your smartphone. First of all, make sure that your device you're using is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in Shopify and search. Once you find the Shopify application from the search result, look for this app over here and tap on the Get or the Install button or the cloud icon to start downloading the app. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your phone. Once the application is installed, tap on Open and then you'll be able to open up the Shopify application. Now go ahead and sign up or log into your existing account and you'll then be able to get started with Shopify. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.